iGen2200 decibel test. First we'll start the motor and run it under eco mode, and we also will watch the voltage. So we'll go ahead and fire this up. Again, this is eco mode. Putting out 125 volts at the unit under eco mode. 82 decibels, we're good at 20 feet. $59.60 decibels at 20 feet. At 30, 58 decibels at 30 feet, we'll go to 50. 54, 55 decibels at 50 feet. We'll go put it under a load. We have a 1500 watt heat gun that we will engage on high mode, and we'll watch the voltage drop as well as the increase in decibels. I'll go ahead and engage this 1500 watt heat gun, watch the decibels as well as the voltage drop as soon as we engage this. Down to about 88 decibels on the voltage drop, and we'll do it one more time. Decibels, and then drop to 88, back up to 120. Now we'll go to 20 feet. 71 decibels at 20 feet, we'll go to 30. 67, 68 decibels at 30 feet, we'll go to 50. 63, 64 decibels at 50 feet. That is the Westinghouse iGen2200 under eco mode, as well as under a 1500 watt heat gun load.